Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best mixer grinders for kitchen that are available on the market. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Ninja Master 400-watt mixer grinder. The Ninja Master is for everyone who wants a fast, portable, affordable and sturdy blender in the kitchen. It is powered by a 400-watt motor and comes with a 48 ounces pitcher and a 16 ounces chopper bowl. It will mince, chop, dice, puree and blend your foods almost effortlessly. The included storage lids serve to preserve freshness once you are done. The jars feature no-slip bases, an easy flip-pour spout, and an anti-spill splash guard. Moreover, this mixer grinder is quite affordable. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on at number 4, we have the NutriBullet 12-piece NutriBullet mixer grinder. With its modern and sleek design, NutriBullet's NutriBullet comes with a powerful 600-watt motor, which delivers enough power to quickly and effortlessly process whatever you load into it. This blender will fit so perfectly into any modern kitchen countertop. It also features a unique and patented blade design, which can crack seeds open, shred tough skins and crack through stems. All its plastic materials are BPA-free and dishwasher safe, and NutriBullet backs it up with a 1-year limited warranty. At number 3, we have the Hamilton Beach Multifunction blender and chopper featuring 12 blending functions to choose from, and a separate 3-cup chopping bowl. This Hamilton Beach machine is driven by 700 watts of electric power. There are 2 speeds, a pulse function, stainless steel blades, and a 40 ounces BPA-free glass jar. The 2 jars and their blades are dishwasher safe, and the power base has enough space to tuck away the power cable after use safely. It is backed by a 3-year limited warranty. At number 2, we have the NutriBullet MBR1101 11-piece mixer grinder set. NutriBullet's MBR1101 comes with just 1 blade, but it will chop, blend, mix, whip and grind whatever you desire. The package includes the high-powered base, 1 blade, 1 short and 1 tall cup, a party mug, lids for the cups, and a recipes book. The operation is simple since there are no buttons involved. Simply load up a cup and cover it with the blade, attach to the power base and then press down. And finally at number 1, we have the Oster Pro 1200 2-in-1 blender with food processor attachment. Packed with 1,200 watts of power, this mixer grinder is both highly efficient and versatile. It is designed for those who know what they want. The package includes the power base, with pre-programmed buttons for easily making different items. There is an extra 5-cup food processor attachment, as well as a slicing disc and chopping blade. Oster also includes a 24 ounces smoothie cup for your pleasure, and a 10-year warranty for the all-metal drive. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.